Dude, that's a jar. That's a nice.
Alright guys, in this video, a few turkeys went down. Me and Hunter, we ended up going turkey hunting on this one piece, but the landowner had given permission to 2 different people. So the night before, we had called the other people that they had given permission to, and we didn't want to screw each other's hunts over, so we're like, you know what, we might as well just hunt with each other. So that went well. Mac shot his first turkey, you'll see that in the video, and then after that, Mason went out with his buddy John, and John's brother Colton, he shot his first turkey. So 2 first turkeys go down in this video, so it's a pretty good one. So stay tuned and I hope you enjoy. That's them flying.
Yeah.
They're all Jakes.
There was a ton in the back, but I don't know where he's at. What do you think, Chase? Should I shoot Jake or no?
No,
I don't think I should shoot Jake.
No, I think you should.
That Jake is down here.
Actually?
Yeah.
Which one? In the middle? Should I shoot that one? I don't know.
Hunter, I think you could get a Tom later in the year.
What?
I don't say you shoot a Jake. I say you wait.
There was a ton in the back, but he won't go.
Did you see one of those sticks that you did? No, I couldn't see much. I was down pretty low. This bird was behind the only bump of that.
Dang, when they posted up back there, I was a little worried.
Yeah, I was like, oh Dude, I thought it was a good time, but it was not gonna go.
Me too, dude. I'm
Surprised they kind of started counting it, and I was like, that's not a full fan house. That's a ton of Jakes.
I'm surprised they can't even go. All Jake's can't even go to market.
I'm telling you, that's why I brought the fan.
Here we go. First turkey down.
One way to hold it.
You can lay it down and then you hold it by the fan and spread out the fan.
Or you can put it on your knee.
Decoys work perfectly.
Yeah.
Hide was back there, so. Pretty decent, Hunter. Pretty decent.
Yeah, I left my keys in my car too.
I'm in a very uncomfortable position right now when these birds are so close. Guys, I'm gonna be completely honest, I don't think I got that on film. I had a lot of trees my way. It is what it is. No, it's chill. It was a good call. he was getting iffy. I did it. I freaking ran out of camera storage. I'm like, just please keep filming. It's a nice Tom.
That's a nice wheel. Got a jaguar.
It's a beautiful bird. Dude, I could see him in the tree right here.
Oh yeah.
Look at that. Look at that beard. That's an absolute tank.
What is spurs looking like?
Oh, nice. Dude, that's a John. That's a nice one.
Cool, that's a giant.
It's a nice bird for around here.
For around here.
For around here, that's a really nice bird. Good stuff, kid.
I gave myself kind of a
honestly.
kick in the face because I was holding it like this.
He shot it with one
Well,
hand.
it flew down in there,
Yeah.
and then he started walking this way, and I'm back behind all that stuff, and they're over there, so it's kind of like I couldn't really do much on
He's
that.
getting spooky.
We might be able to go get that other bird.
I bet we could probably read that one.
No, yeah, we could
And
go.
that
We
one.
could go try and get him.
Yeah. So